Hello and welcome to How to Play Scopa. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need a 40-card deck. The game is traditionally played with an Italian deck, but a standard 52-card deck can be used by removing the 8s, 9s, and 10s. Each player is dealt 3 cards, 1 card at a time. Then 4 cards are placed face up into the middle playing area. The objective of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on the cards captured during the round. Cards can be captured when they are the same rank or when the value of the card being played equals the value of 2 or more cards in the middle playing area. The aces have a card value of 1. The 2s through the 7s have a card value matching their rank. For example, a 5 has a card value of 5. The jacks have a card value of 8. The queens have a card value of 9, and the kings have a card value of 10. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other player. The non-dealer is first to play. Each turn, a player will play 1 card from their hand into the middle playing area. If the card can make a capture, the card played and the captured card or cards are taken in by the player. If the card played cannot make a capture, it stays in the middle playing area. Play then moves to the other player. Once the 3 dealt cards have all been played, the dealer will deal each player 3 more cards. Gameplay returns to players taking turns trying to capture cards. If a player makes a capture that removes all the cards from the middle, it is known as a scopa. The capturing card is placed face up in the card's captured card pile to record the scopa. Play continues until all cards have been dealt and played. If any cards are left in the middle playing area once all cards have been played, the last player to make a capture takes in the remaining cards from the middle. Each scopa for the players is worth 1 game point. A game point is given to the player that captured the most cards. A game point is given to the player that captured the most diamond-suited cards. A game point is given to the player that captured the 7 of diamonds. And a game point is given to the player with the highest total prime. A prime is created with 4 cards, 1 card from each suit. This table is then used to calculate a player's total prime value. Tom uses a 7, 6, ace, and 4 to create a prime value of 69. Jerry uses 3 7s and a 6 to create a prime value of 81. Jerry gets the 1 game point for prime. After the first round, Tom leads 5-2. The first player to 11 points wins the game. A single card must be taken over a set of cards if both captures are possible. If there is a tie for the most cards, most diamonds, or highest prime value, neither player scores the game point for the tied category. That wraps up How to Play Scopa. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.